So today is the day that I take a small audio level project that I bought from Banggood months ago now, when postage was free and things took, well, they still do take months to get here from on the slow boat from China. So I dug it out and thought it may be of some interest to someone if I put it together and got it to work. Very few parts. There was a 104 ceramic cap missing, but that not too much of an issue, but you'll see that a bit later. A few resistors, a chips and bits and pieces, obviously a circuit board. No instructions at all, but it's all silk screened onto the circuit board, so I'll just put it together. Here you can see the circuit board's really simple. Just a case of putting the pieces on and getting it to work. So here we are with the 49th day of lockdown in the UK. Things aren't going too badly. So long as I have at least one thing to achieve each day, a bit of gardening, sorting out some crap, moving stuff from one place to another, maybe a small project like this, you get the picture. So that's fine. We're allowed to go out for an hour each day to get some exercise, and I've got a little dog, well, it's the wife's really. This is Monty, bless him. So he gets his walk in the afternoon. I'll spend a bit of time feeding and playing ball with him in the mornings when the wife goes to work. He won't actually eat his food unless I throw a ball for him, so he's a little bit precious about that. Anyway, she only works in the morning, so after feeding the old chap, I use the peace and quiet to do some reading, just reading a John Grisham book at the moment, and listening to my music, which my wife hates. She, of course, has no musical taste whatsoever. Anyway, all in all, things aren't too bad considering. The biggest subject being discussed at the moment is when, how, and who will have the restrictions relaxed first. It seems to me that the mainstream media, BBC, Sky, ITV, they're all pitting old against young, the well-off against the poorer, black against white, north against south, in all their reporting. Just trying to play the media game, just pissing everybody off, and not reporting particularly honest news. I do wish they would concentrate on reporting facts instead of hypothesising as to what and when is going to happen in a contrived and very narrow set of circumstances. Anyway, the pointless questions, the sensationalist reporting, God, they get on my nerves. Anyway, enough of that. Life is way too short. Anyway, the sun has risen again on a new day, so the end of the world has not come, and our glorious leader Boris has decided that we can go out more than once a day, and we can go to parks, and we can drive to places and go for a walk and take a bit of exercise, and we can meet up with people so long as we stay 2 meters apart. So that's a big improvement for England anyway. I think Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland, in spite of all their blathering about making decisions as to what's going to happen in the week and blaming the government for not making any decisions, well, they're going to keep it the same. So no decisions from them. How surprising, not. So I'm going to dig for victory, plant a few vegetables, see if I can grow something that we can eat, And if it all goes a bit pear-shaped, at least we'll be a little self-sufficient. Anyway, so that's it, all soldered up. You can see that there's a capacitor missing. It wasn't in the kit, but I'm assuming it's just a 104 capacitor, and I'll sort that out later. I'll just put the chip in. The module is connected to the power source along with the audio amp that I built some time ago. Also connected is the audio out from the module and the audio amp straight into the speaker. And my phone is connected to the audio amp. I'm using some royalty-free music here from I think it's Amazon, not sure, but any royalty-free music. Just don't want to get into trouble with YouTube. Right, I'll turn the volume up on the homemade amp. We can see that the audio meter works. And we'll change the volts. If we take her up to 12 volts and then down to around 5 volts, that seems to be the lowest.
Let's try something else.
But I think probably 9 volts is about the best. Just keep smiling, carry on, and make sure you all stay safe.